New Year's has never been a very exciting holiday for little old me. I find there's not much to do. Sure, I could go into the city for a jolly good time, but I prefer not to have icicles hanging from the crevice of my ass crack. Sometimes I'll have a couple friends over and we'll order Chinese food or Domino's if we're feeling daring. So we'll eat and get so bored that we fall asleep. Not very eventful, huh? I never bothered to watch the ball drop. I saw 2 balls drop when I was about 12, and I've been set ever since. So, as a holiday, New Year's is pretty boring. But it's the meaning of New Year's that matters. It means one year's ending and a new one is beginning. You can make a resolution to change something about yourself, to learn new things, try new things, take new journeys, try different ways. But still, you never know what the new year may hold. It could be the worst year of your life, or it could be uninterrupted bliss. Maybe the new year will suck, maybe it will be great, but either way, it's a clean slate and a new beginning. Happy New Year's, everyone.